Every spring, millions of home gardeners fall into the same expensive trap. We spend hundreds of dollars on seeds and annual starts, tilling the ground and sweating for a single fleeting harvest. But nature built a hidden loophole. What if you could plant a garden once in 2026 and still be harvesting from it in 2046 without buying another seed? Today, we are laying out a strict 15-point permanent planting schedule that breaks your dependency on commercial nurseries. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll cover ultra-dense nutritional powerhouses, permanent underground starches, and infinite winter greens. Stick around until the final chapter, because the dark history we uncover proves your self-sufficiency didn't simply disappear. It was pushed aside by corporate-backed legislation. The commercial seed industry is a multi-billion-dollar machine that depends on your garden dying every winter, so you keep coming back. They have zero incentive to teach permanent food systems. Even our obsession with annual spinach traces back to an 1870 decimal point error by researcher Emil von Wolf that overstated its iron content tenfold. We've been breaking our backs over a mathematical mistake. Today, we reclaim the commons in your backyard. Let's begin with Chapter 1, the Kings of Nutrition. Moringa olivifera. Most people look at a tree and think of shade, but this woody perennial is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens on Earth. Systematic reviews in 2026 reveal remarkable gastroprotective potential, supporting mucosal repair, while human clinical trials continue. It's essentially a stomach shield, disguised as a branch. Observe one critical safety rule: never eat the seeds in large quantities, as they contain high levels of toxic erucic acid. Now, if you think a tree that acts like a multivitamin is unusual, wait until you see the medieval monastery secret at point 2, which survives climates that would turn ordinary lettuce into an icicle. 2. Good King Henry. For 5 centuries, this was a cornerstone of European monastery gardens. Modern nutrient density rankings show it surpasses supermarket kale and spinach in raw iron and vitamin A. Big nurseries largely abandoned it because its slow root establishment makes it difficult to sell in high-turnover retail systems. It simply doesn't fit the modern business model. But while Good King Henry dominates leafy nutrition, the next permanent green contains a hidden compound that can temporarily hack your sense of taste. 3. Globe artichoke. This magnificent perennial contains cynarin, a compound that stimulates bile flow and supports liver function. It also plays a strange trick on your tongue. Cynarin temporarily suppresses sweetness receptors, causing your next sip of plain water to taste surprisingly sweet. It's a fascinating party trick, but heed one important warning. Because of its bile-stimulating effects, artichoke is contraindicated for anyone with gallstones or bile duct obstruction. If your plumbing is clear, it's a lifetime asset. And if you think manipulating your taste buds sounds like science fiction, wait until point 4, where we uncover the permanent green being studied for future missions to Mars. 4. Okinawan spinach. This permanent Asian green is so biologically efficient that scientists are studying it for long-duration missions to Mars. Its exceptionally high vitamin K content is being investigated as a potential countermeasure against astronaut bone loss. If it can support life in space, it can certainly thrive in your backyard. But here is the non-negotiable safety warning. It contains pyrrolizidine alkaloids, documented hepatotoxins. Chronic raw consumption can damage the liver, making raw leaves unsuitable for pregnant women and children. Always boil it first to remove the alkaloids. But space-age greens are only the beginning. This next underground root carries a safety rule so important that ignoring it could turn dinner into a medical emergency. 5. American groundnut. This permanent wild vine produces chains of high-protein underground tubers, year after year, looking like a wooden necklace buried beneath the soil. It famously helped early pilgrims survive brutal winters when their European annual crops failed. But write this rule down: never eat groundnuts raw. They contain toxic protease inhibitors that can cause severe digestive distress until thoroughly cooked. Even after boiling, start with a small portion to test your individual tolerance. Groundnuts are a permanent insurance policy, but they aren't the only root with extraordinary biological power. Our next crop acts like rocket fuel for your gut microbiome. 6. Jerusalem Artichoke. This towering sunflower relative never needs annual replanting and produces piles of underground tubers that resemble ginger but taste like water chestnuts. It is packed with inulin, a powerful prebiotic that stimulates beneficial gut bacteria and helps shift the microbiome toward a healthier balance. Just be warned, in the gardening world, these are affectionately called fartichokes for a reason. Your gut bacteria will celebrate this new fuel enthusiastically. But while this root improves digestion, our next coastal perennial nearly disappeared because royalty tried to keep it for themselves. 7. Sea kale. This beautiful blue-gray perennial was once prized by kings, who used its leaves as field dressings because of their natural antiseptic properties. It nearly vanished through overharvesting, until growers rediscovered it in the late 20th century. Sea kale thrives in sand, salt, and coastal conditions, making it one of the toughest perennial vegetables you can grow. Do not eat the seeds, as they contain high levels of erucic acid. Instead, harvest the tender blanched spring shoots. Sea kale protects itself with a thick waxy coating. But this next legendary plant protects itself by literally punching you in the face. 8. Stinging nettle. If you've ever walked through the woods in shorts and brushed against this plant, you know it uses microscopic needles to inject histamine and formic acid into your skin. But it presents a fascinating biological paradox. Boil it for just 2 minutes, and modern research shows it transforms from an enemy into a natural antihistamine by helping inhibit the inflammatory COX-1 and COX-2 pathways. It's essentially a spicy, organic alternative that returns every spring. But nettles aren't the only plant that requires preparation. This next high-altitude root needs a literal sunbathing session before it belongs on your plate. 9. Oca. This ancient Andean root produces hundreds of colorful tubers without ever needing a seed packet. Because they're naturally packed with sour oxalates, traditional cultures developed a brilliant solution. They spread the harvested roots in direct sunlight for several days. The UV exposure breaks down the anti-nutrients, removing the sourness and leaving behind a naturally sweet flavor. It's a vegetable that literally needs a spa day before dinner. But while oca sweetens safely in the sun, this next wetland crop can become deadly if you mistake it for its poisonous twin. 10. Water parsnip. This permanent wetland crop produces nutritious, celery-like stalks with excellent seasonal yields. But memorize this safety rule. It closely resembles water hemlock, one of the deadliest plants in North America. If you cannot positively identify the leaf veins and plant structure, don't harvest it. There is no safe middle ground. But while water parsnip stays rooted in place, this next vegetable literally walks across your garden by itself. 11. Walking onion. Instead of producing traditional seeds, this remarkable plant grows clusters of miniature bulbs at the top of each stalk. As they become heavier, gravity bends the stalk to the ground, where the bulbils root and create an entirely new plant several feet away. It is a completely self-planting survival system that slowly marches across your garden without any help from you. It's the only vegetable that can literally wander into your neighbor's yard. But while the onion marches across the soil, our next mountain perennial has been waking people up after long winters for thousands of years. 12. Alpine leek. Prized for centuries by the Ainu as an early spring survival tonic, alpine leek emerges precisely when the human body needs iron and vitamin replenishment after a long winter. Modern research shows its early growth aligns with the period when commercial annuals haven't even germinated. It wakes up your metabolism while your neighbors are still staring at empty garden beds. But mountain leeks aren't the only frozen survivors. This next crimson leaf becomes one of the first edible greens available, while the rest of your backyard still looks like Antarctica. 13. Red-veined dock. Most homeowners spray this plant as if it were nothing more than a weed, completely unaware of its winter survival value. It remains productive, cold-hardy, and harvestable when most gardens are completely dormant. Its bright, lemony flavor brings fresh life to winter meals. Dock survives the frost, but our next perennial demands one thing most gardeners struggle to give it: time. 14. Asparagus. This is the undisputed gold standard of permanent backyard food security. Plant it once, and its deep root network becomes a long-term carbohydrate reserve, capable of producing premium spears for more than 20 years without replanting. Buying asparagus every week is expensive. Growing it once is an investment that keeps paying you back. Modern research also suggests standardized asparagus extracts may help regulate circadian rhythm through melatonin receptors, reducing cellular stress. But while asparagus anchors itself underground for decades, our final plant towers above them all. 15. Chaya. This woody tree vegetable completely outperforms commercial annual greens in raw biological productivity, producing thick leaves rich in iron and zinc. It grows like a tank and functions as a permanent nutritional fortress. But one chemistry rule cannot be ignored. Chaya contains toxic hydrocyanic glycosides. Always boil the leaves for 15 full minutes in a non-aluminum pot before eating to safely eliminate those compounds. Ignore that rule, and you turn one of the world's greatest perennial vegetables into one of its worst kitchen mistakes. Now you know the 15 permanent vegetables. But if you plant them using the same methods you use for annual crops, you'll destroy the very systems that make them permanent. The biggest mistake is spring rototilling. Every pass tears apart the delicate mycorrhizal fungal networks that have partnered with plant roots for over 400 million years to transport water and trace minerals. You're literally paying for gasoline to destroy your soil's natural infrastructure. Instead, follow this master protocol. Mix equal parts sifted wood ash and finished compost to provide potassium for permanent crown development. Create a dedicated planting zone away from aggressive grasses. Set each crown at the proper depth. Finish with a 4-inch blanket of organic mulch to mimic an undisturbed forest floor. Then step back and let biology do the work for the next 20 years. Which of these 15 permanent vegetables are you planting first? Tell me in the comments, using exactly 3 words. If you know someone who's tired of buying seeds every single spring, send them this video. It might save them years of work and hundreds of dollars. Because once you understand how perennial food systems work, you'll never look at a garden the same way again.